Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are happy and healthy. So dear student, as you can see, we are going to study English conversation chapter number 3 fun time. So this is conversation between two people, Supriya and Tarun. So let's see their conversation and learn something. Supriya, Tarun, where were you on last Sunday? I had come to your house to invite you to my birthday party, but I found your house locked. Supriya asked Tarun where he was on last Sunday. She had come to his house to invite him on his birthday party, but she found his house was locked. Okay, students? Tarun, I had gone with my family for sightseeing. So Tarun replied Supriya that he had gone with his family for sightseeing. Supriya, that's great. How was the trip? Then Supriya asked Tarun how was the trip? How the trip was? Tarun, it was an enjoyable trip to Agra. Okay, students? Tarun replied that it was an enjoyable trip to Agra. Supriya, did you go there for the first time? Then Supriya asked Tarun whether he had gone there for the first time. Then Tarun replied, no, this was my second visit, but I still enjoyed a lot. Tarun tells Supriya that it was his second visit to Agra, but he still enjoyed a lot. Supriya, how did you like the journey? So Supriya again asked Tarun, how did he like the journey? Tarun, it was a wonderful experience to go by Rajdhani Express. Tarun tells Supriya that it was a wonderful experience traveling by Rajdhani Express. Again see Supriya, how did you like the Taj Mahal? Supriya asked Tarun, how did he like the Taj Mahal? Tarun, it was a wonderful building. It was a grand view to see it on a moonlight. Tarun tells Supriya that it is a wonderful building and it was very grand view when he sees it on a moonlight night. Okay, students. Now see further. Teacher, could you speak a few lines on your visit to Taj Mahal or any other historical place that the student has been to? So it was an assignment given by the teacher to Tarun. Okay. Now see Supriya, I wish we all could have gone together. Supriya wishes Supriya wishes if they all had gone there together. Tarun, madam, your holidays are approaching. Could you please request the principal to plan out a trip us for a historical place? Then Tarun requested his teacher to request the principal to plan out a trip for us to a historical place. Teacher, where would you like to go? Then his teacher asked him where he would like to go. Divya answered, madam, let's plan to go to Jaipur this year. So Divya replies to plan to go to Jaipur this year. Teacher, great idea. Give me a week's time to work it out. The teacher agreed with Divya and she asked a week time to work it out. Okay, students? So dear, I hope you have got these all points very well. Now see chapter number 4. Party time. House show and house party. House master, have you all gone through the school calendar? The house master asked the house member whether they all have gone through the school calendar or not. House members, yes sir. They replies in positive, yes sir, we have. House master, did you all note down the activities in which you are going to participate? The house master again asked whether they all note down the activities in which they are going to participate or not. Madhav, yes sir. Madhav replies, yes sir, we have noted. House captain, sir, this time our house is the first one to have the house party. It is on the last Saturday of April. House captain tells that this time their house is the first to have the house party, and the house party is on the last Saturday of April. House master, before you plan out for the house party, you have your house show on Friday. So the house master tells the house captain before he plan before he plans out for the house party, he has to show his house on Friday. House captain, yes, we are left with only 15 days to prepare for the house show. Okay, then house captain replies, yes sir, we are left with 15 days to prepare for the house show. House master, yes, I understand you have very less time to prepare. Then house master tells the house captain that he understands they have very less time to prepare. But never mind, we can have a meeting tomorrow and plan out all the events. And he also tells the house captain that they can have a meeting tomorrow and plan out all the events. Okay students, now see Madhav. Sir, we have already planned out the program. What we need to do is just select items for the show. Madhav tells that they have already planned out the program, and what they need to do is just to select items for the show. House captain, the senior boys and girls are ready with the one act party. The house captain tells that the senior boys and girls are ready with the one act play. Madhav, juniors have selected a skit. They are almost ready. Madhav tells that juniors also have selected a skit and they are almost ready. House captain, what about the dance? Then house captain asks, what about the dance? What is the program on the dance? Madhav, we will request Mrs. Shakti Roberts to help us. Okay, Madhav tells house captain that they will request Mrs. Shakti Roberts to help them. She is a national figure. Okay, Mrs. Shakti is a national figure. Kirat, sir, most of our house students are the members of the school orchestra. I think we will manage the orchestra item within a day or two. Then Kirat tells the house captain that most of their house students belong to orchestra school and they will manage orchestra item within a day or two. Sukhmani, what about solo song? Then Sukhmani asks about the solo song. Kirat, we have excellent singers in our house. Then Kirat tells Sukhmani that they have excellent singer in their house. I take the responsibility for this item, and Kirat tells that he takes the responsibility for the solo song. Tanya, we are ready with the fusion item. Then Tanya tells that they are ready with the fusion item. House master, great. So most of items are already prepared. Only tomorrow we have to decide official stage management, make up artist etc. House master tells that's good, and he hopes that all of the items are ready, prepared, and only they have to discuss tomorrow to decide official stage managers. House captain, yes sir. And what about the house party? Then the house captain asked about the house party. House master, you may hire a DJ. We will ask Sane Himachal to cater for the house show. The house master tells house captain to hire a DJ, and they will ask San A Himachal to cater for the house show. The menu will be discussed in the meeting when the house tutors and others are present. House captain, sir, we are sure it will be a grand show and grand party. The house captain assured the house master that they all are very sure that it will be a grand show and grand party. Okay, students. So I hope you have got these all points very well. So watch the video and revise the topic.